Hi everybody, just wanted to share with you a quick video of how I make oatmeal in a hotel room. So I've got my collapsible bowls here. So these are really handy. They're watertight, airtight once you seal them up, and they fold down next to nothing. So I've got two of them. I've got one here that I use to boil water. So I just boil water in a coffee maker. I've got a little container, very handy container here, my reusable spork, and I just have a bit of honey here, so I'm going to go ahead and put some honey in there. Should be enough, and then open up my bowl. Here we go, you can see how big it is. And I've got a reusable silicone bag. And I put oats in there, quick cooking oats with a touch of cinnamon. I just mix it around. So here we go. And put in as much as you want. There we go. Just make sure it's all even and get our boiling water. Pour that in there. And this one is cool too because it collapses and it's also watertight. And that packs into a suitcase really easily. And just stir it. Really hard to do this single-handed. And once it's all stirred up, should be ready to eat right away. They're pretty much instant, quick cooking oats. And they're super cheap, they're really good for you. Just get them in a bulk section. They're awesome. And they travel well. You can take them across anywhere you want. These bags are really awesome. They don't spill. They fold down really small. This also folds down really small. Everything here packs up really small in my suitcase, and it's just a great way to eat healthy on the road. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.